You're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams as a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. 23 CR 0475, State of Texas versus Haley Lopez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Dorgans for the state.
Defense?
James Seeloff for the defense.
All right. And are you Ms. Lopez?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Lopez, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waived the reading of the indictment.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Lopez, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams as a third-degree felony? The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, she has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe she was.
Ms. Lopez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution, if any, for laboratory testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours of community service restitution, and the drug offender education program and regular UAs. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. The state offers Exhibit 1, the defendant's waivers and stipulations evidence.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused to continue to confer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Lopez, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there being no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, please. Your Honor, my client is court appointed. She starts her job today at 2:00 at Denny's as a dishwasher.
Okay.
I want the court, if you can, please take that into consideration in assessing the fine and the fees and the community service hours. Thank you.
Thank you. Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
Do you live by yourself?
I stay with my fiance.
With who?
My fiance.
Okay. And who is Immateria Hernandez to you?
Who is who?
Immateria Hernandez, the person who was in the vehicle.
Mm,
Maria Macias?
Mariah.
Yes.
She was a friend.
Heather Camarino?
She was a friend too.
Okay. So is your family involved in your life, supporting you?
Yes, but they stay in El Paso.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. Oh, and I'm so sorry. How often are you using meth?
Mm,
You need to be honest with me, because here's the thing. I'm setting your conditions.
yeah.
Hopefully you will be successful. I don't like putting people on probation and have them fail and potentially go to prison. So you're looking at potentially going to prison for 10 years if you're unsuccessful. Many people in the box, they're on probation. So how often are you using meth?
Before I got arrested, it was every day.
All right, the court is going to do a $1,500 fine, probated. And how often is it now?
I've been clean since I got arrested. I've been doing classes and everything.
Classes where?
Lifetime recovery.
Okay, awesome. All right, it's $1,500 fine, probated, 3 years deferred adjudication. She is to continue with lifetime recovery. There is restitution to the lab for testing, if any. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting in person or by Zoom. We're going to do the UA hotline for 3 months. And probation, if lifetime recovery is testing her and you all want to use those tests instead of the UA hotline, you're able to do that. But I want to make sure that those tests are random. There's to be 150 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. Just do a TAP evaluation so we can see where we are. And there's to be the drug offender education course. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month, random, and probation. If you want those field visits to account for her reporting, you can do that. There's to be no contact with Immateria Cantu Hernandez. Maria Victoria Macias and Heather Nicole Camarino. Probation, is there anything else she needs? At least once a week. Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Is there any way I could like look into therapy or something?
Sure. What you do, and when you say therapy, what type of therapy?
Like for depression and.
Okay. We'll do, can you do a MIC evaluation? All right, we'll do a MIC evaluation. And if there's anything else you need from probation, just ask for it. They know how I am in this court. If it's something that they can't provide for you, then all you have to do is come back to court and let me know, and we'll see if we can work something out.
Just for clarification, she starts her job today at 2:00. Will she be free to go today?
Yes. Probation is going to give her conditions right here.
Right here, and then she doesn't have to do anything today.
No,
other than
they'll
go to work.
They'll set up the time. Just let them know that you have to go to work. Ms. Abrams, Her employment starts at 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing about drug use. It's not FDA approved. People are just looking to sell and make a big profit. And if somebody ends up dying because they've used drugs, they're like, oh, well, next customer. Don't be the person where I'm reading on the news and it's you. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
What started as a routine drug possession hearing quickly became something far more emotional when Haley Lopez admitted the truth in open court. The atmosphere changed instantly after Judge Boyd asked a simple question. How often had she been using meth? Her answer stunned the courtroom. Every single day before her arrest. Instead of making excuses or denying her addiction, Haley chose honesty. She spoke openly about her struggle with meth, her efforts to get sober, and the steps she had already started taking to rebuild her life. She explained that she was attending recovery classes, staying clean, working a new job, and trying to move forward one day at a time. But Judge Boyd made it clear that probation was not a free pass. He warned her that one bad decision could destroy everything she had worked for and send her straight to prison for years. The judge stressed that this opportunity came with strict conditions, treatment programs, regular drug testing, supervision, and complete accountability. In the end, the hearing didn't end with handcuffs or an immediate prison sentence. Instead, it ended with a second chance and a serious warning about what could happen if she failed to stay on the right path. Now the real question begins after the courtroom doors close. Was this truly the fresh start Haley needed to turn her life around? Or was it only a temporary break before addiction pulls her back into trouble again? What do you think? Did Judge Boyd make the right decision in this case?